Students, our next topic is electroscope. Okay, what is the use of electroscope? It is a device which is used to help in detecting whether the charged particle is present on an object or not. So it helps us to detect the charged particle and to measure how much charged particle is present on any object. Okay, so here is the diagram of our own electroscope. You can make it by your own also, by some household materials, like you need to take one glass bottle here, one aluminium foil, one open pen paper clip and a cardboard. Okay, so that paper clip, you might have seen a paper clip like this, okay, that used to fix the paper on the cardboard, that you can open because it is made up of metal, so that would help us in conduction of the charged particle from here to here. Okay, it is like this, as you can see. So the charge will flow from here to here, and at the end, as you can see in the diagram, there are two aluminium foils. Okay, so now how it will detect? See here that we are putting here a charged rod. Okay, that charged rod is in contact with this paper clip with the help of conduction. We have read about conduction, right? So by touching it with this paper clip, the charged particle will start flowing from here to here. Okay, now these charged particle will get on the aluminium foil also, and now as you can see that aluminium foil will get apart from each other. See the previous diagram and then the next diagram. You can see they will diverge. Why? Because both of them are having positive charged particles, and like charged particles actually repel each other. So this is how we can detect that the object that we are holding is having any kind of charged particle or not. Because like this marker, if I am touching this marker on this paper clip like this, so these aluminium foil will not get diverged, they will be present at their original position. Fine. Now if I am bringing some charged rod and then I am touching it here at the paper clip, so it will get diverged. That will help us to detect whether the charge is present on any object or not. So how does it measure? It actually give us an idea that whether it is a less or a more. Okay, like if the diversion is very less, so there are few charges on the body. And if the diversion is too much, okay, like a big diversion is there, then we can detect that the object that we have brought is having a lots of charged particles over it.